ignore the clicking that's from this original because the blades are loose and I'm gonna have to try to tighten them loose from right here. So that's why. Not where they connect to the motor. It's the reverse air irons. So that's why it's where they're loose at. So I'm gonna have to check. I'm gonna have to look at that. But yeah. Sure is a ton of air movement, ain't there? These two make the most noise out of everything. I guess this is being the most problematic out of everything. Still making noise.